The new Monaco, we have been waiting for these ones. This is exactly what the market needed, and it's absolutely stunning. So 28-inch seat height. That's all I gotta show. Flat-footed, 5 foot 3 inches. This is gonna fit our shorty shorts.
Yep.
Oh, I'm so excited for these.
So right away, you're gonna see a lot of similarities between the Escape. That's kind of what we built off of. We kind of did the hers to the his. We had a lot of customers that would go to our dealers. The husband would be perfect size on the Escape.
Yeah.
The Escape's a little bit too big for his wife, and she doesn't feel comfortable, you know, tire size, seat size, all that kind of stuff. So introduce the Monaco. Right away, you're gonna notice, I like to talk about the tires because that's one of the big sellers on the bikes here. 20-inch by 3-inch street tire. So it's a lot easier to handle. You can still go on, you know, pack travel trails, that kind of stuff, but bike paths on the road, perfect. You're not going to get that loud echo, that wong kind of noise there. Another big difference, because we put the battery inside the frame here, built in, the battery is no longer behind here. That increases the step over portion here, so you can have a lower step point and a bigger step point.
It's extra, but it just gives people confidence.
Yeah. Especially with the folders. I know a lot of people, they have issues with the rigidity. So, and that's also why we could put the seat lower, because now you don't have a battery underneath. That is what stops it. A lot of our same components that we know and love, chain slap, derailleur protector. You've got the rear rack, again, integrated light. See this second bar here? So it's across all the new 2025s for that additional. We had a lot of customers that like to pick their bikes up by the taillight.
Yeah.
So we were having some issues, fixed with an additional weld support bracket. This bike obviously completely folds, pedals fold, middle section folds, handlebars fold. Yep.
Ooh, I never look gracious. Now I'm gonna go this way with it. So it folds that way. It sits on the stand really nicely.
Can we do a quick here? You hold this.
Why? I didn't do it as smoothly as you might have done it?
I'll just show you.
Okay, fine. I've been doing it for 3 years and I still don't look graceful.
Okay.
All right, watch the pro.
Okay, so I always like to say that the pedals, where you fold the bike, kind of down and back to an angle, because you got to think it's going to be sitting on the pedal. So then I kind of use my knee.
Yep. Oh.
Like that.
That was smooth.
Once you're here, you're stable, right? So you can kind of take your hands off, and then that's when you can work this. I always put that tucked there.
Yeah. Look at that.
Kind of where you are.
It's gorgeous. And it is easier. You do need some core. What's the weight of these?
I would say it's probably 58.
Yeah, without the battery?
With the battery. It's about 50 pounds and it's at 60 pounds.
Yeah, okay.
It's a 60-pound bike. So yeah, if you take the battery out, there's almost 10 pounds right there. The most important thing with folding is your grab points.
Yes.
So I'm stem and wrap.
And you see some folding bikes that don't have folding pedals.
Mm-hmm.
Like, what is that? Not much of an upgrade.
Yeah, so if you don't have the folding pedals, I find that's where you see a lot of the broken pedals.
Yeah.
Because a lot of the times they're not tucked up and in, and they're hitting, like when you fold them, if people that lay them on their side, constantly hitting pedals. Another big upgrade that we did for 2025 on our folders, we used to have a fairly static coil suspension. We now have lockout, so you can actually lock. The other side is preload, which is how fast the shocks come back up after you go down. So yeah, so locking suspension. And then if you wanted to...
These tires, though, I didn't think that they would feel as different or as smooth as they did. And that could be something you could change on the Escape.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because these don't wear it quite as fast either.
Nope.
But and they just feels more stable.
Yeah, there's less drag too. So you're gonna actually get better range. Better range because there's less drag, there's less friction being created against the road between the tire. Just because they're smoother tire.
And they come in great colors.
Yeah, this is 2 of them. There's 2 more.
Mint, black.
And rich blue, which is like a deeper blue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you guys.